That's it. Just a classic fridge tip dinner. I'm going to teach you how to make a basic Chinese fried rice. A bunch of leftover fried chicken from last night. We're just going to whip together fried rice. Chicken fried rice normally, this is going to be called fried chicken fried rice. Let's do it. Start with your 4 basic flavor ingredients: salt, MSG, sugar, and white pepper. And while today I'm using fried chicken, you can use anything. You can use fish, grilled chicken, whatever protein you've got. I always use 1 egg per person plus an extra one. Just give it a quick scramble, leave it off to the side. Okay, next we're going to prep our aromatics and veg. So today I used carrots, garlic, and white onions. Normally I would also use ginger and scallion. I just didn't happen to have any today. I used a sauce, and I'll show you that in a second. Look, the key to fried rice working well is just having all of your key ingredients prepped, ready to go, because once you get the wok onto the heat and the oil in there, this moves fast. And that's what we're going to do right now. So get your wok over super high heat, bit of oil in there. We're going to scramble the eggs first and pull them out. So just take them to a nice wet scramble and just scoop them out, put them right back into your little mixing bowl where they came from. Put some new oil in, and we're going to get all of our aromatics in there and saute those for about 1 to 2 minutes. So as I said, I didn't have ginger or scallions, but the other day I made a ginger scallion sauce. So I just put a couple big tablespoons of that in there. Then you just break up your day-old rice. So I use 2 containers. We've got 4 people here tonight. And just, this is it. Start stir frying. You know how to do this. Okay, add your salt, sugar, MSG, and white pepper mix back in there. Keep stirring. This is a really high heat, everyone. Remember that. Get those scrambled eggs back in, chop them up, mix them up with the rice, and then throw in your protein. Again, today we're doing fried chicken. So keep mixing that. And now you want to add in a little bit of a flavor sauce. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and a bit of water. Give it a little taste test. And this is when I figured out, you know what? I probably should add some fish sauce. So put in about half a tablespoon of fish sauce, a little more soy sauce, and just head stir frying. You see a little bit of crispy bits forming there. I love those. And that's it. That is literally it. Get it in a bowl, call the family down, and you're ready to eat. You can always add on some more of the chili scallion sauce and, of course, chili crisp. That's it. Oh my God. Just a classic fridge tip dinner. A couple of unwanted wasps around here.